This is my broken, junked up Ultra Steel from Pittsburgh. Horrible freight tool bag. It's falling apart. So we're going to inventory everything, and we're going to try to make it work into this smaller, lighter two bags here. Hard to see. That's about the best lighting as we're going to get. So we got tape, wire strippers. These are good for stripping wire. They do not cut. Can't tell. There you go. It's closed all the way, and you can see the gap. Yes, baby girl.
I first I just felt it starting to hurt, and
Crappy design. Okay, well, it's going to be loose soon. Stop messing with it and go get in bed.
That's gross.
Go get in bed. Yeah, it's junk from my tool bag. Decent wire strippers with
Why are you talking to it?
good covers.
Talking to Dad?
Because Daddy's crazy. Love you. Good night. Heat shrink wire. Heat shrink terminal crimps. These are great. You won't bust heat shrink when your deals. Let's see what we got. Gasket scraper. Let's see. 5/16 nut driver. 7mm nut driver. My 1/4 inch went swimming in the river. Sad day. Number 2 Phillips. Straight edge screwdriver. Let's see. 1/4 inch ratchet. 3/8 ratchet. I actually like this. This is from Harbor Freight. It's got a high tooth count. Good for small spots. And it's dipped in some, I don't know. You're not going to short out if you touch something. So, I like composite. Oh, Princess is fussing in the background. Socket set with some missing sockets. 3/8, 1/4 inch. Number 3 screwdriver tip. I don't know if you can see that black one. That's a 1/4 inch to 3/8 adapter. Oh, hey baby. Let's see, we got a 3/8 nut driver. 9-in-1. I'll leave it on the number 2 square most days. Really handy tool. Just to get you out of a bind. Oh, let's see. Some of this junk is not necessary. We got gloves. These are trash. Dirty. Magnet. You're working in a boat. You've got to have a magnet. Your stuff will be in the bilge more times than you can count. Flashlight. I like this flashlight. It's bright. Snap off. Got it from the parts store. Cheap. But the lights are facing the wrong way. They're facing that way. I like them coming out of the end. But, oh well. I lost my stream light. It's a sad day. Okay, we got vice grips. Straight. A must have. Ooh, baby girl. Let's see. Canadian socket set. and a plethora of your basic wrenches. More in here. Ugh. Goodness. I go from 1/4 inch to 3/4, and starting at 9/16 I have 2 of for backup. So that there. Let's see. 12-volt light probe. Very necessary. Slip joint pliers. See, another wrench. Extensions. Only need 1 of these. This is gonna be in the spare bag. We're gonna keep the Silver Eagle. Baby girl. Let's see. Feeler gauges. I use these a lot. Oh, time out. Okay, we're back. Little princess in the background. She doesn't want to go to sleep, but she wants to go to sleep. Any parents know what that's like. Alright. We go on 1/4 inch extensions, various sizes, 7mm socket. That's just been there forever. So we got 13/16 spark plug socket on an adapter, 1/2 inch to 3/8 adapter, 3 inch, 3/8 extension. Pretty much stays like that. Another 3-incher. Let's see, a long flat screwdriver. Hooks. I use these a lot. Seals, cleaning out things. You'll be amazed at what you can use when you'll need a hook or a pick. I got a bunch. Let's see, 3/4 goes on the rail. There's some sunglasses. Used and abused. These are some diesels. I need to clean these up on the reel. Terrible. Okay, pocket empty. What's in here? Another little hook. Ooh. Yeah, I let my baby fuss for a little bit. She gets too cranky, I gotta stop. But these are impeller pliers for raw water pumps. Hex keys. Larger set of hex keys. Let's see. Another hook. Ooh. A little pocket screwdriver. I had to take down the tip. Focus. Make adjustments on generators. Ooh. Wire ties. Keep some in the bag. Alright, let me check on her. She's don't want to sleep. Okay, we have a bottle and she is happy. See more sockets finding their way home. Dielectric grease, that'll go in the electrical box. Ink pen, very handy. We got a tiny magnet. Drop something, you're gonna wish you had one. We got a valve stem. I'm running out of space on my phone. These are good for getting on the carburetors. Notebook. Very necessary. We all know what that's for. Let's see. That's it on that side. On the rest of this crap. Oh yeah. The pigtail out of a Sneaky Pete. We use these for shaft and rotor packing. Alright, moving on. That is, what's in here? Trash. It's just all trash. Trash pocket. What do we got? Teflon tape. White electrical tape. Tubing cutter. Really don't have to carry this everywhere. You need to put this in the box. Fuel pressure regulator needs to go in the box. More electrical tape. I love you, sweetheart. What else? What else? What else? Those clamps. Oil. Can nickel. 3/8 knuckle buster. Don't really use this much. Alright, on to the other side. It'll be put up. That can be put up. Back in stock. Rub. Hose plug. Clamps. We got more sockets that need to go in another rack. And I just got a small, oh yeah, tire chuck. And a small set of hex key sockets. These make my life easier. Oh, I'm missing one. Fantastic. Which I know where it's at. Oh yeah, blower. You don't need that fancy little gun. Stick that in the airline and it'll clean your mess.